He says he was told to make a choice between city and country. Pittsfield firefighter Jeffrey Rawson, also a U.S. Navy reservist, says he was passed up for a job the state civil service exam suggests he should have gotten.
Either he was away on service at that point in time or the promotion occurred while he was away.
Michael Maycomer is not Rawson's attorney, though he's represented similar cases. In a lawsuit filed Tuesday in a Boston federal court, the U.S. Department of Justice has accused the city of Pittsfield of ignoring Rawson's rights in accordance with the Uniformed Services Employment and Reemployment Rights Act of 1994.
And it provides a number of protections for returning service members to return to their former positions and have protections for while they're serving our country.
Those protections, the Justice Department warns, were ignored. The suit claims in November 2009, Rawson took a civil service exam for a lieutenant position. And while he says he placed second on the exam, the suit alleges Pittsfield Fire Chief Robert Cherwinski, seen here in a previous interview, told Rawson in June of 2010 he was being skipped for the job because of his poor attendance record. Maycomer says these cases are common, though what's uncommon, he says, is the Justice Department stepping in.
But the fact that they're stepping in here suggests that there is some merit to his case and that the Department of Justice has stepped in on his behalf to make sure his rights are enforced.
YNN reached out to Pittsfield City Solicitor Richard Mahoney for comment. He didn't get back to us, but if this case does make it to court, there are several reasons the city of Pittsfield could use to explain why Rawson missed out on the promotion.
I mean, there's a number of arguments that always become presented in these situations. One of the ones that comes from the employer is that it's a burden to us, that it's a burden to hold these positions while these service members are away.
Rawson could not be reached for comment. Bigger picture, Maycomer suspects we could see more of these claims brought forward, with troops in Iraq slated to return home by year's end. In Pittsfield, Brandon Walker, YNN.